Hello friends, here I am to show ginger garlic paste and how to keep it fresh, colorful and lasting for over 4 months. Also I am going to show you easy grinding tips in mixie. We use this paste in almost all curries to enhance the taste. How nice and beautiful color it has. Could you believe this color, aroma and same taste is going to retain until last spoon with just 3 simple ingredients. There is no need to add oil at all. Store little quantity in small box for daily use. It helps to keep paste untouched and fresh for longer time. Let's get started. First we need same quantity of ginger and garlic. I'm going to use around quarter kg each. As you know, ginger quantity can be little more, just in case if there is not enough garlic. As you see, my ginger doesn't have any soil or dirt, so I'm going to peel off directly. If your ginger needs cleanup, then wipe well with a wet cloth and dry a little to avoid moisture. You can peel off ginger with sharp spoon or use peeler. This peeled ginger looks so colorful. You can reuse this ginger peel for tea. It won't go waste at all. Wash the ginger peel with water. Drain for 10 minutes and let it dry on plate or cloth. Store in box after fully dried and use in tea. It adds nice taste and aroma. Now chop the ginger into pieces. Next peel the garlic. Press down on the tip to peel easily. I like to take off this hard part on top. Now chop garlic into pieces. Chopped garlic makes it easy for grinding. Let's see grinding. Take a mixie jar. Add ginger pieces first and grind. Or you can grind ginger and garlic pieces together. So here is my trick. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Turmeric adds nice color and healthy. Add half a teaspoon lemon juice and half a teaspoon salt. Lemon juice and salt helps to keep fresh for a long time. So start grinding with less quantity first. Then add rest of the ginger and garlic pieces. As you know, we can't add water. Thus this tip is going to help for easy grinding. Instead of grinding with speed like 1, 2 or 3, try pulse in between. Pulse mode helps to crush ginger and garlic pieces quickly. Grinding gets super easy with switching speed and pulse modes. This way there won't be much pressure on mixie and paste will be fine and smooth. Store the paste in fridge and enjoy cooking. Hope you like my tips and tricks. See you again with many more healthy recipes and options. Thanks for watching.